Welcome to my channel, children. Today we are going to study 6th standard geography, first lesson, the solar system and the earth. In this we are going to study about the heavenly bodies in order of their distance from the sun, identify the smallest planet, the largest planet and the one with a ring. Now let us come to know about the universe. On a cloudless night, we see many shining objects in the sky which we call stars. Not all of them are stars. There are over 3,000 other objects which together with stars are called heavenly bodies. In Latin, the word heavenly also means celestial. So we also call them celestial bodies. The big home of all the celestial bodies is called the universe. Many theories have been propagated to explain the origin of the universe, but the most widely accepted one is the Big Bang theory. According to this theory, the universe was once a huge ball of hot gases which exploded with a big bang around 14 billion years ago. All the matter that the ball was made of was scattered in various directions and formed the stars, planets, asteroids and galaxies. You can look at the picture, children, about the celestial bodies. Now let us come to know what is galaxy. Stars found in groups are called galaxies. There are clouds of gases and dust found between the groups of stars called nebula. It is where new stars are born. The solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy, also known as the home galaxy. The galaxy closest to our own is the great spiral galaxy of Andromeda. It is about 2.5 million light years away. That is a distance of 20.8 thousand quadrillion kilometers. Now let us come to know about the stars. The shining objects in the sky are called stars. They are huge masses of burning gases that give off their own heat and light. These celestial bodies have great mass and exert a pull called gravitational force, and this force of attraction is responsible for the formation of groups of stars and keeps all celestial bodies in place. On a clear sky, when we look at the stars at night, some stars shine with a steady light while others seem to twinkle. This is because the light from stars passes through the various layers of atmosphere with varying densities before reaching our eyes. Some light reaches us directly while some changes due to the movements in the layers of atmosphere. Constellations. A group of stars that form a certain imaginary shape is called constellation. Early Greeks as well as Indian astronomers imagined that some groups of stars resembled mythological characters and gave them the names of animals and gods, like the Orion, the hunter god, the Ursa Major in Latin, or the Big Bear in English. Today, this constellation is known as the Big Dipper and forms a part of the Ursa Major. It is a group of 7 stars known as Saptarishi, that means 7 saints in Sanskrit. It forms the shape of a bear with a bit of imagination. If you join the two bottom most stars by a line called a pointer, it points to the pole star or Polaris. The IAU has identified 88 such constellations, of which 48 were known to the ancient Greeks and the Indian astronomers. See the picture of black hole, children. The black hole was created by the collapse of many stars. Presently, it is under great scientific investigation. And now let us come to know and find out the names of 88 IAU recognized constellations. IAU means, you can see the description here, children. Astronomers use a special instrument called spectroscope to find out whether any celestial object in the space is moving away from the earth or towards it. You can see the picture of spectroscope. Constellations depict different shapes or images. On a clear night, observe the patterns of the some constellations and write about them. The solar system. The word solar is derived from the Latin word sol, meaning the sun. The solar system is the family of the sun. It is believed that the solar system was formed about 5 billion years ago, when a new star, our sun, was born. The sun, 8 planets, asteroids, moons, meteoroids, and comets together form our solar system. All the 8 planets and other bodies move around the sun on fixed elliptical paths called orbit. The solar system too is always in motion and orbits the Milky Way galaxy. It completes one orbit in 26,000 years, which is known as a cosmic year. It is about 27,000 light years away from the center of the Milky Way galaxy. Sun. Our sun is a medium-sized star, popularly known as the yellow dwarf. It is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. It is the closest star to the Earth. The sun is the largest body situated at the center of the solar system. It is about 1,300,000 times bigger than the Earth and weighs nearly 300,000 times more than the Earth. The sun is 149,597,900 kilometers, approximately 150 million kilometers away from the Earth. Light from the sun takes about 8.5 minutes to reach the Earth. The sun is made of extremely hot gases formed from nebula, that is, clouds of dust and gases. It is composed of 71% of hydrogen gas, 28% helium, and 1% other gases. The hydrogen gas burns to release an enormous amount of energy in the form of light and heat. The sun's surface temperature is about 5,500 degrees Celsius. Light travels at a speed of 300,000 kilometers a second. So, a light year is a distance that light travels in a year, about 9.5 trillion kilometers. Sun is the center of the solar system, is called sun in focus because it is not exactly in the center of the planet's orbit. During every orbit, it is closer and then farthest. Earth receives only a small part of this heat and light, which is then filtered by atmospheric layers that made life possible on Earth. Planets. The word planet is derived from the Greek word planeti, meaning wanderer. Planets do not wander in space but follow a regular path while going around the sun. Thus, planets are heavenly bodies that revolve around a star and do not have their own light. They reflect the light of the sun. Some are accompanied by companions called satellites. There are 8 planets in the solar system and the Earth is one of them. These planets, in order of their distance from the sun, are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The International Astronomical Union, or IAU, was set up in 1919 to promote and safeguard the science of astronomy. According to IAU, a planet is a celestial body that orbits around the sun, has sufficient mass for its self-gravity so that it assumes a round shape, has cleared the neighborhood around its orbit. According to IAU's classification, Pluto is no longer called a planet as it does not have sufficient mass. It is called a dwarf planet. Common characteristics: shape. All the planets are spherical in shape. Distance. All the planets are much closer to the Earth than the Sun. As such, they have many common features. Motions. Planets have two kinds of motions, rotation and revolution. It spins on an imaginary line of axis which passes through its center. This motion is known as rotation. All planets rotate on their axis in an anti-clockwise direction or from west to east. Venus rotates in a retrograde direction, that is from east to west. If observed from Venus, the Sun would rise in the west and set in the east. One complete orbit of a planet around the Sun is known as revolution. The nearer a planet is to the Sun, the shorter it takes to complete one revolution along its fixed orbit. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, takes 88 Earth days to complete one revolution. Neptune, the farthest planet, takes about 165 Earth years to revolve around the Sun. One Earth year is equal to the time the Earth takes to complete one revolution, that is equal to 365¼ days or 365 days and 6 hours. Elliptical orbit. All planets revolve around the Sun is fixed elliptical path called orbits and in the same direction except Venus. Satellites. The planets other than Mercury and Venus have satellites also called moons. These satellites revolve around their respective planets. The four inner planets closer to the Sun are called the terrestrial planets. They have a rocky surface. They are separated by the asteroid belt from the outer planets, which are far away from the Sun. Venus is considered as the Earth's twin because it is similar to the Earth in size and shape. The outer planets are gaseous planets or Jovian planets, that is Jupiter-like planets, after their gaseous makeup. All Jovian planets have rings. The solar system consists of 8 planets, in which Mercury is the first. Its orbit is 88 days, spin 59 days, moon 0. Second, Venus, orbit 225 days, spin 243 days, moon 0. The third planet Earth, orbit 365 days and 6 hours, spin 1 day or 24 hours, moon 1. That is satellite, natural satellite moon 1. 4. Mars, orbit 687 days, spin 1 day or 24.6 hours, moons 2. Fifth, Jupiter, orbit 11 years and 11 months, spin 9 hours 55 minutes, moon 67 natural satellites. The Saturn, orbit 29 years and 5 months, spin 10 hours 40 minutes, and the natural satellite called moon is 62. 7. Uranus, orbits 84 years, spin 17 hours 14 minutes, and the moons are 27. And Neptune, orbit 165 years, spin 16 hours 7 minutes, and the natural satellites called moon are 14. The asteroid belts, the belt beyond the terrestrial planets where about 6,000 asteroids have so far been discovered. There are inner planets and outer planets. The inner planets inside the asteroid belt are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. The outer planets, the planets outside the asteroid belt, that is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. This is the end of the part 1, children. Now let us come to know the second part.